Hi, my name is Mark Tangpus, though many people also know me by my name, Makaluma. For the past several years, I have been dedicated to reimagining classic games through texture restoration, visual enhancement, and creative reinterpretation. Every project represents countless hours of experimentation, research, and patience, all with one purpose: to breathe new life into the games that inspired my childhood. Some of my previous works include the Overrun modification and Overrun extension mod for Resident Evil 2 Remake, along with the Daylight Texture project, which transformed the atmosphere of Resident Evil 3 Nemesis into an entirely different experience. That vision later evolved into the Overtaken Texture project, taking the game to a darker and a more immersive direction. Today, my focus has shifted toward a new challenge. Welcome to Prehistoric Texture. This is the sixth project in what I call the 7 Makaluma Texture Projects, a collection of visual restoration and enhancement projects created to preserve the spirit of classic games while presenting them with a fresh level of detail for modern players. Unlike my previous projects, Prehistoric Texture explores an entirely different world. Every environment, every object, and every surface is carefully recreated to capture the atmosphere of a forgotten prehistoric era while remaining faithful to the original artistic direction of the game. This project is still a work in progress, and there is a long road ahead, but every completed texture brings the vision one step closer to reality. This is just the first of the many. Cheers!